Hello and welcome to excelexperts.com. Today's session is on Excel tips and we're looking at debugging a large Excel function call. So the situation is this, you work in accounts and the person who you've taken over from has left the company without leaving any documentation on their Excel sheet, and you have been lumbered with trying to understand what on earth is going on. And you're very upset and you need a little bit of help. So suppose you've got this function call here and it's quite big and it's quite complicated. You don't really know what's going on, and it returns something that says hash and a. What on earth is going on? Well, the first thing you can do to try and debug it is to press F2. F2 will highlight all of the cells, if they're visible, that this function call is dependent on. So if I look at that, immediately I see that it's dependent on this range here. Well, there's nothing in that range, so maybe I've accidentally deleted it or something, but it's obviously trying to do something with some data and it's expecting that. Okay, but that's not all that helpful. What is helpful is if I press Alt-I-F, which means insert function. Now that brings up this screen here. So I can see that this VLOOKUP function is taking another mess of spaghetti here, and then a table, and then a column number 5. So if I want to have a look at this bit, very cunning thing I can do is just click on here, and it brings up only that portion of the large function call. So if somebody's written a massive function call, you can keep on going down and down and down to the deepest level until you can actually try and understand what's going on in the function. So now we're getting to smaller amounts that is of information here, which is potentially easily understandable, but we can go even further. We can click on index and it allows you to choose which function it is, and we see that the array is, well, it's full of zeros, so obviously something is wrong there. But with this you can easily toggle between where you're looking on the function call, and this should dramatically help to debug a large function call. This is excelexperts.com. Thank you for listening.